Another bullish day it was for gold and silver. If you recall my weekly analysis, beyond 2020 the target was for 2050. It is closely achieved, and silver too is now trading about $26 levels. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update. This is the first update for the day. Second update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels here. Now, first, let's have a look at the hourly charts. Higher lows are seen. Certainly, if you see it trading below 2038 and 2035, these two levels, yes, if you see it trading below, you can sell. However, till 2030, be watchful. Only bearishness is seen if it trades below 2030 levels. You can sell at 2038, however, be careful till 2030, and below 2030 it is going to shed more. Till 2030, do not consider this as bearish. Now look at hourly chart. See, after creating a base here, it is trying to rise. This is the second green candle, and it is again trying to trade bullish. But if you look at the complete movement is engulfed between these two candles, hence the highs at 2050 you should watch out for, and there is a slight nearby pivot at around 2055. So yes, 2050 above 2055 probably more bullishness may prevail, and hence you should watch out of these two levels. Now if you look at stochastic is seen rising, the MACD is at highs there. It has crossed over but failing to do so. It is still in green. RSI trying to look upwards, and if you look at gold is now very near to its near term high, you can say all time highs 2075 levels. Let's see if it does break past those levels. Look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts to see the complete movement since last few candles is completely engulfed between this big bullish candle, and it is again looking upwards. Now see, it is trying to break on the upside. On the downside, I have told you the sell entry is only below 2038 where you can sell and stay short. Right now it is looking upwards, trying to trade bullish. I will wait for 2050 to be breached in order to confirm the rise there. Beyond that, 2055, 2070 levels are going to be the next targets. Stochastic looking up. MACD is in green, divergent bullish. RSI very near to the highs there, very near to the top there. On the 3-hour chart, so similar is the observation. Higher lows are seen, and again higher highs. So in between these levels, that is 2050 and 2038, let's be watchful. The stochastic was near to overbought, has dropped a bit. The MACD is still divergent and bullish on the 3-hour charts. RSI is back to overbought zone, and if you look at 4-hour charts, this is consistently another green candle, and you can see here, see bullishness, then consolidation, bullishness, retracement, and now this winning streak. And it is still, now see, this channel is what it is created, and if you look at the channel highs and lows, you'll find, see, almost at 2060, and then on the downside here at 2020. This is going to be the zone where we have to watch out for. Look at consistent green candle. See, this is the breakout here at 2020, and it is consistently traded green here. Also look at last few candles. See, for 3 candles it's consolidated. This time it is trying to break out. However, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence you have to be watchful of 2050 levels. Stochastic on the 4-hour charts is again trying to get back into overbought zone. MACD is divergent. It is bullish. It has to still achieve the highs here. RSI back to overbought zone. And if you look at the daily charts, now if you look at the daily chart, see, first of all, week beginning I told you the breakout was here, retracement. This was the reversal there, retracement. Now again higher highs. So this is trying to create its own new bullish channel in which it is trying to trade. The highs are little far away, 2100 and plus levels. So again trying to look upwards above 2050. But see, this is on the daily chart. This is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence there should be a little more resistance. Even if it tries to move upwards, possibly there should be a pullback. See, whenever it tries to move outside Bollinger Bands, it gets a pullback. And yes, this is consistently 4th green candle. Hence 2055, another resistance there on the upside. Be careful till there. And if you look at it, it is trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average. There is a possibility of a conversion, but then till 2050, let's watch out here. Stochastic is seen rising. The MACD is again trading at the highs here. You can see this, and it is consistently trading flat here, not willing to break up and not willing to break down either. RSI again near to overbought zone. So considering this, as I said, sell at 2038, buy at 2050. Till 2050, do not try to you should not try to enter here. Yes, there is bullishness, but let's better be safe than sorry. Yes, above 2050, 2055 is the nearest. Beyond that, we may see 2065, 75 zone, which is the next strongest resistance zone, and it is also the all-time high level. So possibility exists that it may try to achieve those levels if it stays above 2050. Now, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now, let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts soon. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look at silver. Silver, see 20 period moving average always tries to converge here. Now, it is again trading far above from the 20 period moving average. So, now the support levels at 2580 is going to be very strong. Only below 2580 and 2570 levels there is now this zone at 2580 and 2560 is going to remain very important for silver. Only if it breaks below 2560 zone, further bearishness is going to be seen. Now look at the hourly chart. See, it is creating a channel of its own. This is the bullish channel in which it is trading. The highs little far away at 2620 levels, and beyond that sky is the limit on the upside. Stochastic back to overbought zone. MACD divergent and bullish again, and it is trading at a little higher levels. RSI is very near to the highs here. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also, on the 2-hour charts you can see that it has given a breakout. This is the first breakout candle, and it is trading near to the top of the Bollinger Bands. Yes, about 2610, certainly you can stay long, and we can see it is achieving further highs for the day. 2580 is the only level below which you can sell. Stochastic is rising. The MACD extremely divergent, extremely bullish, looking upwards. And yes, see, it still got lot much of room if it continues to stay from here. RSI trying to look upwards and staying bullish. If you look at 3-hour charts, consistently trading bullish. All the moving averages trading with divergence. All the moving average staying bullish. And see, now again you can see the candles are divergent from the 20 period moving average. There is always a probability of it to converge, and you can see the moving averages are now sitting far below 2560, 2550 levels, and this makes these levels a very strong support. And that is why I said even if it tries to retest 2550, 2560, you should be cautious of. Stochastic overbought again. The MACD divergent and bullish. RSI overbought. And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and consistent green candles are seen. Higher highs are achieved. Trading extremely bullish and extremely divergent from the 20 period average. Probability of convergence exists, which means it needs to reverse sharply. But right now it is very bullish, looking upwards. And if you look at the highs of this channel, 2610 something, you should watch out for. And 2580 is the level below which you can sell. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI extremely overbought on the 4-hour charts as well. And if you look at the daily charts, now most importantly on the daily charts, this is the third, you can say after consolidation, third straight greener candle. And this candle also had a wick on the upside. If it stays bullish from here, 2640, 2650 cannot be denied. Now till 2580, possibly there is going to be stronger support. Now see, stochastic consistently trading overbought, and this is the longest streak I have seen in silver. Now see, MACD divergent and bullish. This is also a sharp long streak, and it has come to extremely higher levels, but nothing is high or low in market. It can further scale up. RSI consistently trading overbought, and it has come to extremely overbought levels here too. So some point of time silver has to drop a little, but see, these are markets, and it is right now it is extremely bullish, and when everything goes overbought, it tries to stay overbought for a while before it tries to come down, and then the drop is always sharper. Right now it is scaling the higher highs and looking extremely bullish. And now again, if you see it trading about 2610, it's still long for 2620, 2640 levels. Take your trades accordingly and trade with a stop loss. And also remember, a sell entry is only below 2580 and a confirmation of bearishness is only below 2550. Till then, stay alert, trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.